Hey, what's happening JVs? Dan here, and I'm very excited to announce going live at 11 AM Eastern on Tuesday the 16th of March and offering an incredible 100% commissions on the front end is our latest software, Cryptomate. Cryptomate lets you create your own fully automated affiliate site all about cryptocurrencies. You might not know this, but lots of top well-known cryptocurrency exchanges such as Coinbase or Binance have high-paying affiliate programs offering up to 50% lifetime commissions for anyone who refers to them as an affiliate, and they can even pay out in Bitcoins. And with cryptocurrency absolutely booming right now and the price of Bitcoin up 600% in just 1 year, it's clear that this is a huge untapped opportunity for your buyers. With Cryptomate, creating your crypto affiliate site is just so easy. You just log into the web-based software, give your site a name, choose a crypto coin to specialize your site on, for example Bitcoin or Ethereum, and then click a button. We have identified 12 different crypto exchange affiliate programs for your buyers to choose to monetize their sites. All they need to do is click the links to apply, grab their affiliate IDs and paste them into our software. Their site is then fully automated for them with dozens of high converting ads for their chosen affiliate programs created and placed on their site automatically, all with their affiliate links auto embedded. And of course, just like usual with my site builders, original content is created and posted for them, all about their chosen crypto coin every day. The site is designed for them and looks stunning, with dozens of design options, and they even get a fully integrated autoresponder service too. I'm just scratching the surface of what Cryptomate can do, and I 100% encourage you to take a look at the sales page preview for yourselves. Now, your buyers will be getting all of this for just one low $17 purchase price on the front end, but although the front end purchase might be low, we are offering 100% commissions on the front end on day one of the launch, and the funnel is strong and deep with great OPOs. As with all my launches, you can count on high EPCs and easy commissions when you promote. And for anyone who pushes hard for us, we will promote harder for you than anyone else. Just take a look. We have done over $85,000 earnings in promotions on Warrior Plus in the last 12 months, with multiple promotions sending well over 100 sales. We value our JV partners, and if you are there for us, we will be there for you. So make sure you promote Cryptomate on Tuesday the 16th of March for guaranteed easy commissions, guaranteed big resubs from us, and a guaranteed great business relationship going forward.